Hello everyone. Today video how to check the engine air filter. This is a Honda CRV 2.4 liter 2002. There are few screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to open them, Phillips, and check the air filter if it needs to be replaced or clean, because it's important to check the engine air filter to make sure it is in good, like no dust or dirt or debris blocking it. So those, you can use a Phillips screw to remove them, or but because they are so hard to remove, so I'm gonna use socket number 8mm. It looks like those are never been opened for a long time. See? One more here. Now, after we lose all those screws, it's time to release this clamp, this hose, so it'll be easy to remove this one. So it can be moved from here or from here, but as you see, this one is already loose now, so it's good. Yeah, we need to move this one too. You see that? This one here. So let's move this one like that. Then we pull this a little bit like that, and then we have an access to this air filter. It's kind of very dirty. Yeah, this definitely need to be replaced. When you see oil on the air filter and black debris and dirt and everything, that means it's time to replace it. So yeah, time to replace this. Okay, so I found out this is the original oil filter, and I'm gonna try to wash it with this thing. This is a grease off spray 9, very powerful cleaner. So I'll wash it, dry it, and see if that's gonna work. That will be good. If not, then I'll buy a new one. Five minutes spent washing it, and you can see the water, it's getting really almost black. So I think it's gonna work, because as I said, like, this is the original Japanese oil engine air filter, and just save like about $25 or so instead of buying this one. So I'm just gonna wash it. Here's a, see inside there's a muddle, and it's all clean. Just time to rinse it, dry it very good. Make sure it's very dry before you put it back. And if you see any damage on the air filter, don't even waste time washing it. It's just time to replace it. But there's no damage, just dirt, oil, and it looks so good now. Just time to rinse it. So I was using this, is really good. It makes this dry like in about like maybe 5-10 minutes. Now, how to tell it's dry? So basically, when you hit it like that, no moisture at all. It has to be lightweight. because that's how you tell it's lightweight and you can feel it. It's dry, no more moisture at all. It's time to put it back, and you see it's really clean and compared to before. So I'm just gonna leave it for another maybe 1 minute or so, just to make sure it's dry completely, because if it's wet it may cause a damage to the air flow sensor. Okay, now this oil filter is dry, no more moisture on it at all. It looks clean, it's pretty good. Time to put it back. Now you can see, check there too, just to make sure this no debris, dirt. If there is, use a vacuum, sharp vacuum. It's the best to vacuum everything here. But other than that, it looks good. Okay. Also, you may have to check the intake air hose, just to make sure nothing is blocking it. And it's down beneath there, if you see. But also this looks good. Okay. This is the original engine air filter. It says here Honda. Just like that. So let's put this one first. So right now we're gonna check for the spark plugs. 2002 Honda CRV 2.4 liter.